Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. This week I wanted to talk about horse dewormers. Really important. It's a big topic. A lot of people don't fully understand. You know, some of our horse clients that have had horses for years obviously do a great job, but sometimes it's a little bit confusing. What do you give? How often do you give? And those are important things to know. There are some places online that sell year packages, which are great. I think they're a very good option. They're pretty economical, and you get the whole order of things that you need depending on the season. The main thing to remember is that you want, in our area, in El Paso surrounding area, you want to make sure and deworm at least every 3 to 4 months. Okay, even though we're in the desert and it's hot, we do see a lot of intestinal worms. Babies are very susceptible to worms, just like your puppies and your kittens. They get certain worms that maybe adults don't get. I always strongly recommend that anytime you get a new pet, or even on an annual basis, that you do a fecal. You don't really know what you're dealing with unless if you test. And you may be thinking that your horse is clear and maybe it has a problem that is just going below the radar and you don't really know. I've seen a lot of that. We've done a lot of fecals. We have some really great packages that the laboratories are working with us to get so that they're economical, and it really gives you an overall wellness for your pet. And make sure that your horse, if it's a performance horse, is at the top condition. If it's just a pet, that is comfortable and it's not passing things, you know, back to your other horses and stuff like that. So really important. Remember, fecal exams are the gold star. That's the only way to know what you're dealing with. There's some things that are totally different than regular intestinal parasites, and you don't know, and you can't treat them if you don't know that they're there. As far as deworming, we used to think that we don't have tapeworm here in the desert because we're a desert. But you know, most of our hay comes from irrigated areas, so at least once or twice a year, make sure that you do one of the products that gets the tapeworms. Other than that, make sure you're deworming at least every 3 to 4 weeks, or excuse me, every 3 to 4 months, and rotate those dewormers. If you have any specific questions, please call me, and make sure you like us on Facebook. As well as, you know, watch our video tips, and we'll see you for our July 4th of July parade on Mesa Street. Come and cheer us on and have a great week. Thank you.